Big changes are coming to US immigration process. The US Citizenship and Immigration Services has announced a new rule requiring applicants to provide their social media handles and platform names in all immigration applications. This includes those seeking H-1B visas, F-1 student visas, and even green cards. The US Department of Homeland Security says this move is part of a broader strategy to enhance national security and ensure public safety. Social media data will be used for identity verification, vetting, and to determine whether granting an immigration benefit poses a security threat to the United States. This requirement stems from the executive order protecting the United States from foreign terrorists, which mandates through screening and uniform vetting standards for all immigration-related benefits. The new rule will apply to all foreign applicants, meaning your social media activity may now be under scrutiny. For many, this change could impact the immigration process, especially for those already navigating complex visa applications. Experts say it is a step towards stronger security measures but raises concerns about privacy and data security.